Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to the channel. As we step into a new season, it's the perfect time to refresh not only our wardrobes, but also our color palettes. In today's video, we're diving deep into the Fall-Winter 2025/26 color trends. What's in, what's out, and how to use these tones to look modern, graceful, and stylish in your everyday life. You don't need to buy a completely new wardrobe. Sometimes all it takes is learning how to play with colors in a way that feels intentional and elegant. Number 1. Burgundy and red. Let's begin with burgundy, a shade that perfectly captures the essence of autumn. It's rich, deep, and quietly powerful, the kind of color that never shouts for attention, yet always leaves an impression. Burgundy carries an air of maturity and refinement that makes it ideal for colder months. What makes this shade so special is its incredible versatility. It pairs beautifully with gray, navy, cream, and black, creating combinations that are sophisticated and easy to wear. For example, a burgundy satin skirt paired with a matching sweater or cardigan creates an incredibly elegant and cohesive look. You don't even need to introduce another color. That single tone alone has the power to captivate everyone around you. Now, moving to red, a color that will always remain powerful and unforgettable. Red is confidence, passion, and energy all in one. If you love red but want to tone it down a little, try pairing it with beige, brown, or gray. These muted tones soften the intensity while keeping the outfit chic and balanced. You don't have to commit to an all-red outfit. Instead, use the color as a pop of vibrancy in your look. A red scarf, loosely draped over your shoulders, a pair of gloves, or even a structured handbag can bring life to a neutral-toned outfit. Now, let's talk about a color that's definitely out this season: terracotta. For several years, this shade was a fall favorite, warm, earthy, and seen everywhere, but its popularity led to overuse, making it feel repetitive and predictable. Today, the fashion world is shifting toward more sophisticated and balanced color transitions, leaving terracotta behind in favor of deeper, richer tones like burgundy and red, shades that feel more elegant and modern for the new season. Number 2. Taupe, the underrated neutral. Now, let's move on to a color that, in my opinion, deserves so much more attention: taupe. Honestly, I don't understand why more people aren't talking about this shade. It's one of the most elegant, versatile, and quietly powerful colors out there. Taupe sits beautifully between gray and beige, which makes it the perfect neutral. Soft, balanced, and incredibly easy to pair with almost any color. If you usually reach for classic beige tones, try replacing them with taupe. It instantly looks more refined and modern. Beige can sometimes feel overdone or flat, but taupe brings depth and sophistication. It has that expensive undertone, the kind that makes your outfit look thoughtfully styled, even if you didn't try too hard. I personally adore the combination of taupe and cream. It's one of the most elegant and luxurious pairings you can wear. Whether you use taupe as an accessory, like a bag or a belt, or wear it as part of your outfit, the mix of these two tones creates a look that feels soft, rich, and effortlessly sophisticated. So this season, let's give this beautiful neutral the spotlight it truly deserves. Number 3. Chocolate brown. Let's highlight a color that's becoming a true staple this season: chocolate brown. This shade adds a comforting richness and natural elegance to any outfit. It feels warm, stable, and inviting, giving every look a sense of quiet confidence. You'll be seeing chocolate brown everywhere this fall, especially in outerwear, coats, suede and leather jackets, and handbags. It's polished yet relaxed, and it blends beautifully into both casual and formal wardrobes. Now, about camel, a color we've all loved for years. It's not exactly outdated, it's still widely worn and admired, but it has become a bit predictable. Fashion this year is leaning towards slightly stronger and more distinctive tones. Chocolate brown gives the same polished and elegant feel as camel, but with a warmer and more contemporary character. It feels fresh and sophisticated, making it the go-to neutral for this season. Number 4. Gray, the effortless cool tone. Gray is one of those colors that somehow manages to look both casual and effortlessly cool at the same time. It might not be as bold or attention-grabbing as shades like burgundy or red, but that's exactly what makes it so special. It's subtle, versatile, and adaptable, the kind of color that fits seamlessly into every part of your life. You can wear it to work, on a relaxed day out, or even for an evening dinner. No matter the setting, gray always feels appropriate, modern, and composed. What makes gray truly stand out is its quiet charm. It doesn't try too hard, yet it always looks stylish and balanced. That understated quality gives it a unique strength. It reflects a sense of calm and composure. It's that, I didn't try, but I still look put together kind of color. That's why having at least one gray sweater in your wardrobe is a must. Throughout the fall and winter months, you'll find yourself reaching for it again and again. And when it comes to outerwear, a single gray maxi coat can completely transform your look, even over a simple, basic outfit. With just one well-cut gray coat, you can achieve that polished and effortlessly cool appearance that never goes unnoticed. Number 5. Green shades. Green has always been a fascinating color. It's versatile, refreshing, and can completely transform depending on its tone. But this season, we're seeing a clear evolution in how it's being worn. Instead of the bright, almost neon or emerald shades that dominated street style over the past few years, earthier and more grounded tones like olive green, khaki, and forest green are taking center stage. These shades feel sophisticated without being flashy, offering a natural richness that fits beautifully with the cozy textures of fall and winter. What makes these deeper greens so appealing is how beautifully they work with other classic tones. Olive green, in particular, pairs wonderfully with brown, burgundy, and gray, creating a balanced and refined palette that feels rich but never overpowering. If you've been reaching for the same neutral shades season after season, introducing one of these greens is the perfect way to refresh your wardrobe. It adds color without being too bold, a subtle way to make your outfit feel renewed, stylish, and thoughtfully put together. On the other hand, the brighter green tones that were once popular, think Kelly green or those vivid saturated hues, are slowly fading out of fashion. They can look too sharp and hard to style in the colder months. Number 6. Purple. The statement shade. Purple is making a strong return this season, but not in a playful or overly bright way. This time it's bold, polished, and luxurious. Think deep violet, royal purple, or muted lilac tones that instantly draw attention while maintaining an air of sophistication. It's a color that feels expressive and full of character, perfect for women who like to stand out with elegance. Whether you wear it head to toe or as a statement piece, purple gives your look a distinctive personality. And if your wardrobe mostly consists of neutrals, introducing this color, even through a bag or pair of heels, can be a simple way to elevate everything you wear. Number 7. Butter yellow. Butter yellow is one of the most refreshing shades we'll be seeing this season. It's soft, luminous, and adds a touch of gentle brightness to your wardrobe without ever feeling loud or overpowering. Unlike vivid yellows that can dominate an outfit, butter yellow radiates calm sophistication. It's cheerful, but in a very refined way. It's the perfect balance between warmth and subtlety, bringing a sense of quiet optimism to your fall and winter looks. This color works wonderfully with browns, grays, and pastel tones. When combined with chocolate or lighter brown tones, it creates a cozy yet modern aesthetic. With gray, it feels urban and polished, and when styled with soft pastels, it exudes elegance and femininity. Now, when we talk about yellow tones that are out this season, think of neon yellow or vivid mustard. Those bold and intense shades had their moment, but fashion is now leaning toward lighter, creamier, and more wearable versions of yellow. Butter yellow captures that shift perfectly. It's approachable, modern, and refined. Number 8. Navy blue. Navy blue is that color that never really leaves the fashion scene. It just evolves. There's something inherently sophisticated about navy. It carries the depth of black but feels softer, calmer, and more approachable. It gives structure and polish to any outfit while keeping things understated. Personally, I love pairing navy with denim or light blue pieces. It's a perfect monochrome look that feels balanced yet stylish. And if you prefer something a little warmer, brown tones and creamy shades complement navy beautifully, giving your outfit a sense of quiet luxury and class. These combinations bring out the richness of the color while keeping your overall look elevated and put together. As for what's out, it's time to step away from overly bright or electric blues. Those bold tones had their spotlight in recent years, but they can look harsh and dated now. The focus has shifted toward deeper, moodier blues like navy that feel calm and timeless. It's a shade that deserves a place in every wardrobe, refined, versatile, and effortlessly sophisticated in its own character. And that's it, beautiful people. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you won't miss the next one. I can't wait to read your thoughts in the comments. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.